In the pantheon of American muscle, few acronyms carry the structural weight of KR. Short for King of the Road, the moniker was first coined by Carroll Shelby in 1968 when he intercepted a rumor that Chevrolet was planning a hostile takeover of the phrase for a high-performance Corvette. Shelby, being the ultimate automotive opportunist, checked with his lawyers, found the trademark up for grabs, and stamped it onto a modified Ford Mustang Fastback powered by a 428 Cobra Jet V8. Fast forward 40 years to 2008, and the King returned. Born out of a partnership between Ford's Special Vehicle Team, SVT, and Shelby Automobiles, the 2008 Ford Shelby GT500KR arrived not just as a nostalgia trip, but as a heavily revised, track-sharpened weapon designed to push the live-axle Mustang chassis to its absolute limits. Under the composite hood, unleashing the beast. At the heart of the GT500KR sits a 5.4-liter supercharged dual overhead cam DOHC V8 engine. While the standard GT500 of the era pushed out a highly respectable 500 horsepower, the KR received the Ford Racing Power Upgrade Pack. This package massaged the engine with a unique cold air intake system and an aggressive ignition timing map tailored specifically for premium fuel. The physical centerpiece of this upgrade is the car's unique carbon fiber composite hood, complete with functional scoops and heat extractors. Because the complex architecture of these deep scoops couldn't be stamped out of ordinary sheet metal, Ford turned to the same specialized composite supplier that manufactured ultra-lightweight body panels for the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 and Dodge Viper ACR. Secured by old-school twist-down stainless steel hood pins, this carbon fiber piece shaves critical weight off the nose and forces cool air directly into a massive conical filter. Paired with a free-flowing, throatier Ford Racing exhaust system, these modifications bumped output to an SAE-certified 540 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, altering the final drive, mechanical urgency. While an extra 40 horsepower is great for playground bragging rights, the real catalyst behind the GT500KR's explosive performance is how that power meets the tarmac. Ford's engineers replaced the standard GT500's relatively tall 3.31:1 rear axle gear with a shorter, much more aggressive 3.73:1 final drive. To manage this mechanical shift, driver inputs are routed through a Tremec TR 66-speed manual gearbox, utilizing an all-new Ford Racing short-throw shifter. Crowned with a retro white ball atop a chrome stock, the shifter moves through its gates with crisp, mechanical precision, completely eliminating the rubbery gear selection feel plagued by lesser muscle cars. On the road, the shorter final drive ratio fundamentally alters the behavior of the supercharged 5.4-liter V8. Where the standard car could feel somewhat sluggish or soggy when trying to pull out a mid-speed corner in third gear, the KR attacks with immediate, violent urgency. 0 to 60 miles per hour flashes by in just 4.3 seconds, while the quarter mile is conquered in an estimated 12.5 seconds at 114 miles per hour. Defying the live axle, SVT suspension magic. The standard fifth-generation Mustang platform was frequently criticized for sticking with a traditional 3-link solid rear axle rather than adopting an independent rear suspension. Knowing the engineering limitations of this setup, SVT went to work rebuilding the chassis dynamics from the ground up to ensure the King could actually corner. The ride height was slammed down, dropping the front by nearly 0.8 inches and the rear by 0.6 inches. Engineers traded out the thick, standard front anti-roll bar for a lighter rate bar, but compensated by doubling the damper rebound rates. Under the hood, a massive Ford Racing strut tower brace spans the engine bay to significantly stiffen the front structural architecture. More importantly, the alignment geometry was completely reworked. SVT dialed in aggressive negative camber and dialed out the standard factory toe-in, allowing the front tires to bite heavily into corners with greatly reduced understeer. This allows the nose to track predictably, giving the driver the confidence to throttle out of corners with a level of agility that belies the car's front-heavy, 3,900-pound curb weight. Footwear and downforce. Rubber meets the road. All the suspension geometry adjustments in the world mean nothing without a proper contact patch. To give the KR its claw-like grip, Goodyear developed a bespoke compound variant of its Eagle F1 supercar tires exclusively for this car. Measuring 255/45 ZR18 in the front and a fat 285/40 ZR18 in the rear, these tires feature an ultra-sticky 180 treadwear rating compared to the standard model's harder 220 rating. Spotters can differentiate these unique tires by a vintage Goodyear wingfoot emblem molded directly onto the sidewall. These custom tires wrap around 18-inch polished, machined aluminum wheels with unique SVT/Shelby center caps. Tucked neatly behind the wheels are massive 14-inch vented Brembo front brake discs paired with 4-piston aluminum calipers, kept cool via functional chrome-trimmed air ducts built into the front valance. Aerodynamics were also heavily tweaked. The front splitter was redesigned, successfully slashing front-end lift by 31% while reducing overall aerodynamic drag by 3%. Interestingly, engineers intentionally reduced the angle of attack on the rear ducktail spoiler, minorly increasing rear axle lift but reducing high-speed drag to let the car fly down long straights. A six-figure collectible legacy. Stepping into the cabin reveals a cockpit steeped in Carroll Shelby's signature heritage. The leather sport bucket seats feature 40th anniversary GT500KR graphics alongside Carroll Shelby's embroidered signature, a touch mirrored on the premium floor mats. An official Shelby CSM dash plate identifies the exact production number of the vehicle, with the original starting price tagging just over $120,000. The 2008 Shelby GT500KR was an elite, high-dollar machine built for serious muscle enthusiasts. To honor the legacy of the original 1968 model, production was strictly capped across a 2-year run to match the original's production total of 1,571 units. The 2008 Shelby GT500KR remains a masterclass in how targeted engineering can elevate a classic muscle car platform. By focusing heavily on gearing, front-end alignment, specialized rubber, and functional weight reduction, Ford and Shelby built a vehicle that earned every bit of its royal title. It proved that even with an old-school solid rear axle, a properly tuned King could still rule both the drag strip and the canyon curves. Beyond its mechanical brilliance, the GT500KR holds a singular place in modern automotive history as one of the final major collaborations completed before Carroll Shelby's passing in 2012. It served as a rolling testament to his lifelong philosophy that a car should not just be fast on paper, but should possess a visceral, larger-than-life character that demands your full attention the moment you twist the key. Today, as the automotive world pivots rapidly toward hybridization and silent electric powertrains, the raucous, supercharged whine and mechanical theater of this 2008 masterpiece feel less like an old-school muscle car and more like a high watermark for analog American performance.